Hey everybody, it's Emily, and if you are a returning subscriber, I thank you so much. And if you are new, please don't forget to join the family and subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified. Today, we are going to be doing how to go from just rolled out of bed, tired looking, to looking flawless, but quickly, with not that many products. So let's just jump right in. So you want to start with cleansed skin. Wash your face, make sure it's nice and clean, exfoliate, use the products that you normally use. Then what you should do is moisturize. I already have my moisturizer on because I've let it soak in and sink a little bit. I use Confidence in a cream. Looks like that. I love this stuff. But if you don't want to use something that thick, try Clinique. It comes in this little yellow, it's a yellow formula. That's a good one. So primer, what I'm going to use is from Catrice. It's like $4. It's not that much. It's a light correcting serum primer in the shade Sunlight, 020 Sunlight, and it looks like this. And I love using this product because it's a primer as well as, you'll see. It's just amazing. It's got this little dropper. I've used it before, but I'm gonna use it again. So you just drop it on your face where the areas you normally would prime. And then you could use your fingers or a brush. I just use my hands. And do you see it? It's just giving my skin like a gorgeous kind of tan, like a glow. Not so much a tan, but definitely a glow. And it's priming. So you just want to put that all over the place, like you need a moisturizer. And it's priming, it's correcting, it's amazing, and it's really affordable. You can get it. I got it at Ulta. Okay. Can you see the difference? What? So you definitely want to shake before the use, and that's what it looks like, and it's amazing. It's so amazing. Sometimes I'll just leave that on and just go about my day because it really corrects and it really makes your skin beautiful and glowy. And like I said, it's like $4, $3 or $4. Don't quote me. It's cheap though. Okay, next, instead of just putting on a bunch of foundation, we're going to go in with concealer. I'm using from Maybelline the Master Conceal by Face Studio in Fair. Everything I do is in the color Fair. You can kind of you can squeeze it out, just put a tiny little bit of product, because this video is just about trying to get out the door as quickly as possible. But maybe if you don't have that much time, maybe if you have a baby or if you have kids and you just don't have the time anymore, so you can use your hands and just start blending that out. Beauty blender, brush. What you're trying to do is you're just trying to spot conceal dark circles like I have them. If you have, darkness, redness, rosacea, this is the part, around the nose, around the mouth. Just spot conceal. If you have like a red chin, if you have like spots, you see, just go right on them. Spots. A spot out here. And if it's taking too much time, then just use a brush. Okay. Don't forget to go in that corner and bring it onto the lid, because that really will open you up and make you look more wide awake, and go right onto the bottom lid. Okay. And we're just spot concealing for now, instead of putting on a bunch of foundation and then concealing. Sometimes you just don't have to. Sometimes it just looks more obvious, you know? Like, oh, that person has a ton of makeup on. And sometimes it just brings out imperfections and flaws further. Okay. Voila. Now, since we're still with the cream products, I'm going to be using for cheeks. I've never done this before, but we're going to try it today. This is in peach blush, and it's from Botanio Beauty. I don't know, it looks like this. Comes in, just get any old cream blush and just put it on your cheek like this, like a stain. You can get like a brush, a beauty blender, whatever you feel comfortable with, and just, or your fingers, or you know, a brush like this. Just blend it out. Put it on the nose, like that, and it's natural. And then it's a lip, so it doubles to give lip, like a lip color there. And that part looks like this. And now we're gonna put some bronzer on. I'm taking from Hoola Benefit, taking a little brush like this, and just gonna go in, creating just a little bit of warmth, nothing too crazy, just a tiny bit of warmth, and I'm dragging it onto the eyelid. Typically this wouldn't take me that long, but because I'm talking through it, that's why we're already at 8 minutes. But if it wasn't talking, it wouldn't take me that long. Bring it down the neck. You're just technically warming the face up. See? Getting the face to be like you went on vacation when you didn't, see? And then we're going to just, this isn't like something you have to do, but if you want to, you can take a little fluffy brush and just put it in your crease, that same Hoola. And like I said, you can skip this if you don't want to do this. You can just kind of drag it down your nose, that Hoola. And what this does is it just gives the face a little bit more of like a structure and a contour. And we're just putting that in so it looks something like that. Okay, we're almost finished. Now we're taking from Anastasia Beverly Hills the Dream Glow Kit. Looks like this. It's an amazing product. I recommend it to possibly anybody. And we're going to be taking this kind of golden shade, or you can put like this pink right here called Unicorn, and you can just put that right on the cheek. It's really up to you. See that shine it gives? See? It's stunning. But we're gonna go with Sunshine, and we're just gonna create that to be in here. And it's gonna give us this really open eye. So I'm putting it on my cheekbones, putting it down the nose, down the bridge of the nose. Cupid's bow. All the areas you typically would highlight. And I love this because it doesn't look like something that's too highlighted and overdone. It just gives the skin such this natural glow. Like, can you see? It just gives the face like you're really eating your fruits and vegetables, you know, like you're really healthy. See, do you even see it? It's just stunning. So just stick with putting it on the upper cheek, like that. And you'll just get so many compliments. If you have a bigger forehead, maybe don't put it on your forehead. It's really up to you. And then you can put it over here, depending on how much you love makeup, like me. And it's just, you see what I mean? It's just gonna give you this gorgeous glow. It's gonna look so beautiful. Okay, we're almost finished. We just have to do mascara and lips. So now I'm just going to spray my face with I Love Revolution Fixing Spray in vanilla and coconut. Love that stuff, can't get enough of it. I have an itch. Okay. So lips, you can just, like I said, put that same cheek on the lip, or you can just do so many different things. Like you can take a lip liner. This is from Whirl. This is from MAC. It's called Whirl. You can line your lips, fill them in, or you can take from MAC called Angel. But I think I'm gonna go in with this shade from NYX called Lollies. And it's this beautiful sort of peachy shade. But if it's too peach, you can go back in to this and kind of mute it down. Or if you want more of a brown color, you can go from Tarte. It's called Cinnamon. Just pick your favorite lip. You can even go with chapstick. So now we're just gonna throw on some mascara. And that's the look. Now the night before, either braid your hair or blow dry your hair so that when you're rushing and trying to do the makeup, you can just, you know, let your hair down very quickly. See, the night before, I blow dried my hair. So when I take this bun down, you'll see what I mean. Like, it's not gonna be some crazy mess. And the mascara I'm using is from Too Faced, and it's called Damn Girl. Now it is a tad bit like it's hard to kind of like work with, but I love it because it does get them long. See? Okay, and then just go back in for final touches, you know, and that's it. That's the look. It usually would take me not even 5 minutes, but because I'm talking, it's going to take me, you know, close to 15 minutes. But that's because I'm trying to talk and describe to you. So let's take the hair down. And that's how it looks. I mean, it's like really super fresh, and it's beautiful for fall because, you know, you can do a darker lip. See? And it works. No matter what lip, I swear it works. Because you're just focusing on beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous skin. See? With not that much product at all. I mean, of course, you know, to people that don't really put makeup on all the time, this is gonna come off like, oh my god, like that is a lot of product. But trust me, when you're used to, you know, using like 40 different products a day, like this is like nothing at all. And of course, you can always, you know, cut back on something. Maybe you don't wear mascara, then don't wear mascara. Or if you don't wear like a lip product, then wear chapstick. Or if you don't like highlighter, then don't do the crazy highlighter I did. But definitely moisturize, definitely use primer, definitely conceal, and definitely try to put some type of like color onto your face, because that's what makes you look more like alive and awake. And then just put some mascara on. If you don't like mascara, don't do that, or put a lip product on and you'll be out the door. So I hope this helped, and yeah, that's the skin close up. It's pretty. I love it. And like I said, this is, you know, what I do the days when I gotta get out the door. So, yeah, that's it. I hope that you guys enjoy it, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell that's like right next door to it. That, you know, it just helps notify you every single time I've uploaded a video, because YouTube has like, I don't know if it's an algorithm or something where the videos just basically get lost and you might not be notified even of your favorite YouTuber as well. So make sure you're subscribed to them and you hit the notification bell to them as well. And don't forget to like this video. Liking helps as well. So I want to see you guys recreate this look. And if you do, tag me on all social media sites. I'm on Instagram, follow me there. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Snapchat. I'm on all of it. So I love you guys, and thank you always for supporting me, and thank you to anybody who's new here on my channel. It never goes unnoticed, your support and your love and your kind comments. And yeah, that's it. I love you guys. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.